Mastering military commands, the meaning of stay in formation. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of English language learning. Today, we're exploring a phrase that's as intriguing as it is specific: stay in formation. This command, often heard in military contexts, offers rich insights into both language and discipline. So, let's break it down together and understand not just its meaning, but also its relevance in various scenarios. Stay in formation is a command that carries both literal and figurative weight. At its core, it instructs individuals or groups to maintain a specific, organized arrangement or pattern while moving or stationary. The term formation refers to a particular shape or structure that a group adopts, often for strategic purposes. This can be anything from a line to a more complex geometric arrangement. The imperative, stay, emphasizes the importance of maintaining this arrangement without deviation. The phrase, stay in formation, is most commonly associated with military drills and operations. In this context, it serves several critical functions. Enhancing cohesiveness, it ensures that units operate as a single entity, improving efficiency and effectiveness. Facilitating communication, maintaining formation helps in executing commands more smoothly, as each member knows their position relative to others. Safety and strategy. In combat scenarios, formations can provide tactical advantages, such as maximizing defensive capabilities or concentrating firepower. Understanding this phrase sheds light on the disciplined nature of military operations and the importance of teamwork and precision. Interestingly, stay in formation transcends its military roots and finds relevance in everyday situations. In sports, for instance, players might be instructed to maintain their positions to execute a strategy effectively. In dance and theater, performers stay in formation to maintain visual symmetry and coherence. This phrase embodies the concept of working together towards a common goal, emphasizing unity and coordination. Stay in formation is more than just a military command. It's a lesson in discipline, cooperation, and the importance of working together seamlessly. Whether on the battlefield, on the sports field, or in any collaborative effort, staying in formation is crucial for success. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights into this powerful phrase. Remember, language learning is not just about words, but understanding the stories and cultures they represent. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to exploring more fascinating phrases with you. Stay tuned.